Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another unboxing. Today we're looking at Gordon's Gin and Copa, which the Copa means the glass. So this is an interesting, it's just kind of something I picked up a while back, but I was going to do an unboxing of it, but I've just not got time. So I thought I'll show you guys what it looks like. Fill your balloon glass with ice, it should be near the top. Add the gin, the tonic water and garnish with wedges of strawberries or whole raspberries. Use alternative chilled lemonade, can be used instead of tonic. Now that's actually a good tip, that, and it's something I'm going to actually do a description on. That is lemonade. So right, okay, so let's get on this unboxing. First thing, so there you go guys, this is one shot of pink gin, just ideal to fill that up. Okay guys, 37%. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed this. Like, subscribe. It's a nice big deep glass, quite an elegant stem. Thanks for coming along, and have a good day. Catch you in the next one.